If you're looking for a fast, portable external SSD that is also durable, this can be a really good choice. You can use it on Windows, Mac, and I even use it on my Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's do the unboxing. Inside of the box, you'll find the T7 Shield, of course. You get a USB Type-C to C cable right here, and they also include a A to C cable as well. Most laptops nowadays have a USB Type-C port, so you'd be using the Type-C to C cable. But if you have an older computer or laptop with no USB Type-C, you can still make backup of your files or access important files with a Type A to C cable. And I love the fact that these cables are separate from the SSD. So what used to happen in those older external SSDs, if the cable attached to the SSD is broken, the SSD became useless. But in this case, if something actually happens to the cable, I could replace it with a new one. The SSD is safe. Let's do a quick comparison with the T7, and as you guys can see, the T7 Shield features a rubberized grip that provides extra drop and shock protection to it. When buying an external SSD, I look at three things: speed, security, portability. This easily checks all three of these boxes. In fact, it goes a step further with a bonus feature, the fact that it is durable, super rugged. So how durable is it? It has IP65 water and dust resistant rating. So you can take it to a pool, take it to a beach. It can handle a little bit of water. It can also survive a drop from 3 meters according to Samsung. I personally dropped it for more than 3 meters a couple of times and it still works. With its shock resistant design, you don't have to worry about accidental bumps or drops. Let's talk about speeds. You'll be able to transfer files at a crazy speed of 1050 megabytes per second. That is lightning quick. That means a 4 GB of file you'll be able to transfer in less than 4 seconds. That is crazy. Now keep in mind, you'll be able to get closer to that speed if you use the USB Type-C to C cable. If you use the USB A to C cable, you would probably get half the speed, and a lot depends on the port you're using. If you use a USB A 2.0 port, you would be lucky to get a 25 or 30 megabytes per second. So keep that in mind. You have an option to put a password on the entire drive, so the whole thing becomes encrypted and can only be accessed with a password. Make sure you install the exe file from the drive itself. If you're on Windows, if you're on Mac, install the pkg file. Since I've already installed the exe file, let me show you how it looks like. First, make sure you have an updated firmware by going into updates. Going back, if you go to the settings, just toggle the security mode on. This gives you an ability to put a password. Try to add a password that you can remember. If you forget that password, you may be able to recover the drive doing a factory reset, but you'll definitely lose all of your files. T7 Shield is definitely compact enough to fit in your pocket, and it comes in three really nice color options: black, blue, and beige. And it also comes in 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB, so buy the one according to your storage needs. Now, whether you're a content creator editing 4K footage on the go, a gamer, you want to free up that space on your PlayStation or Xbox, a professional safeguarding important files, this is something for everyone. I love how durable this is. So if you're an outdoor photographer, videographer, you want to take those drone shots, you would be able to carry it outdoors with that peace of mind. You're getting speed, portability, security, all wrapped up in this rugged package that can handle a drop or two.